flat tire. Tug the pup rides a scooter. Zoom, zoom, zoom. May I have a turn? Asks Nat the cat. No, says Tug the pup. I need to do my tricks. Tug the pup does a fancy trick. Oh, my scooter has a flat tire, says Tug the pup. That tire really is flat, said Nat the cat. Can you help me? Asks Tug the pup. I can help you, says Nat the cat. I've got a pump, says Nat the cat. There, says Nat the cat. The tire is as good as new. Thank you, said Tug the pup. It is your turn to take a ride. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.